Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can insert the slides. So in Excel there is a three way we can add slides. So first is from the shortcut key. So if I have opened my PowerPoint application, if I press Control M, if I press it, you can see there is a one more slide got added, slide 2. As of now we had like before we had 1, now we have 2. If I again press Control M, you can see there is a another slide get added. So Control M is shortcut for the inserting a slide. So wherever my cursor is there, if I press Control, if you observe that I am on the second slide, if I click Control M, the slide will get inserted just before that and will get selected. So another way is from the from the command. If you have on home, click on the home tab and you have new slide, click on the new slide, another slide will get inserted. So this is the second method, and third method is just click on the right click on the any of the slide where you want to insert, right click on that and click on the new slide. So this will also add another slide. So as of now we had 5 and it become 6. So these are the three methods. One is from the Control M, and then from the home tab we have new slide option, and by right clicking you have new slide. Okay, so which one is easy? From the keyboard it is very easy. Control M, it will be very easy. Now second thing is that, say for example I have created some format. And I wanted to similar format to be. So let me show you. So as of now I have created this format, right? These are my topics for the videos. I want this image to be there, this image to be there, this message to be there, right? And I have to change the topic what I'm going to cover. So I can easily click on the copy it and just paste it. Control V, Control C is for copy, or right click on this and we have copy option, and there where I want to paste, or just after this I want to paste, so Control V, or is right click on that and you will be having option to paste it. So there is a 3 options. As of now I keep source formatting, or just click on the paste button. So you can see what are the data were available, right? It is also available here. So just copy, normal copy paste only. So now here I want to change the topic. I can just change the topic. If I want to add some other data, I can very well do. So this is our copy and paste option. So Control C and Control V for the pasting. Then we have another slide is another option is called duplicate. So as I've shown you, as of now I just wanted to create a duplicate of this, right? So I just click on the right click and we will be having duplicate slide. So with the same data it will be get created. So duplicate is also useful. You don't have to perform the multiple, right? Copy and paste. It will be similar to copy paste only. So just click on that. And last option is that we have delete option. If you don't want to any slide which is got like something we want to remove it, I can right click on that and we will be having delete option, delete slide. Click on that, it will be get deleted. Or is just select that any of the cell and from the keyboard you can press delete. And if you keep on selecting and keep on pressing delete, it will be keep on deleting. So hope you have understand how we can insert a new slide, how we can copy and paste slides, how we can create a duplicate of slide, and how we can delete a slide. That's all for this year. Thank you so much for watching.